going to show you a picking pattern combined with a chord scale. And this should be kind of a familiar sound because it's going up through a major key, just changing from major to minor as the key goes, and a good picking exercise for the right hand too. A good way to get comfortable with a thought of chord scales. Okay, so we're going to be doing the key of A. And one thing you want to know about the major keys is that if you go up the scale, the chords associated with each note start with major, and then minor, and major, and major, and minor, and minor, and major, and like that. So major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, minor, and then you're up back to the root again. So pretty easy to remember. And this pattern is like this in A. And I'm just picking through with the root, and then the octave, and then the third. So just using the A string, G string, and B string. Back down again. If you get this under your fingers and get smooth with it, these chord shapes will start to feel more familiar, and also the sound of the chord scale will start to become more familiar to you as well. I think it's a great exercise. So I hope it's useful. Please let me know any comments or questions. Thanks for watching.